Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is on this look, a sparkly cranberry smoky eye. I wanted to do something super sparkly and fun, and I showed you a bunch of new products that I've been loving and old products that I can't put down. So I'm so excited to show you everything, and if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte Shadow Palette. I'm first picking up this Dusty Rose shadow. Going in with my Sigma E38 Diffused Crease Brush, I'm running the shadow all the way through my crease. I'm now picking up this dark cranberry shade. Now with my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm going to start by applying the shadow just on this outer corner of my lid and then start sweeping that through my crease. And I'm going to stop the shadow right about halfway to my crease. I want to try to keep the inner part of my crease kind of lighter and just with that lighter pink shadow. And now just picking up a little bit more and deepening that up. I always start with a little bit of shadow and then build my way up, because if you apply a lot of shadow and then try to blend, either it's going to get too harsh, you can't really blend it out, or it's just going to take forever. And listen, we got to shorten the process down a little, so this makes it so much quicker and easier. And then I always bring back the transition shade or the first shadow that I applied right at the high point of this crease and to help blend everything out, and then diffuse this area right here. And then concentrate on blending this out. Now I want to finish off my lower lash line before I continue on with my lid. So first going in with that Dusty Rose on my E54 medium sweeper brush, sweeping that all along my lash line all the way into the inner corner. And then picking up that burgundy shadow and just applying this on this outer half of my lower lash line. It's going to help elongate the eyes and give them a really nice cat eye effect. I'm going into the Kaja Beauty Bento Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio in Rose Water. Now going into Champagne Cream. And now for these beautiful shadows, I find that they apply better with your finger and you just get a really nice intense opacity. So I'm applying this first on the outer third of my lid. And then now just lightly tapping that right in the center. Just really lightly, just to add a little bit of this kind of darker shadow. I'm now picking up Ballerina Pink. And then we're picking up this beautiful shadow and applying this right over top to add a little bit of sparkle and lighten that shadow just in the center. The first shadow I'm going into is Deep Plum, and then applying this beautiful shadow in the inner corner of my lid, and then applying this on my inner corner with my Sigma F70 concealer brush. And then just to blend this through my crease, I'm using a really light hand just to buff out the crease area. Now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Love Drug. I'm now going to line my lower waterline, concentrating mostly on the outer corner. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into the Tati Lashes in TL21. And that's the eye look done. So my face is very one-dimensional right now because I don't have any cheek products on. So before I do my lips, I'm going to do my contour, blush, and highlight. I wanted to show you some of my favorite cheek products lately. So first I'm going to go into bronzer / contour. And I'm going to go into the Balm Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer in Oscar. And this is it right here. It's a perfect shade. I'm going to apply this through my cheeks using my Sigma F40 Large Angled Contour Brush. Now for blush, I've been loving these blushes lately, and these are the Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion, and this is in the shade Rosé. Look at how pretty that is. I've also been loving pinkier blushes. Usually I love peach blushes, which I still do, but I've been kind of trying out pink blushes lately, and it looks so good, so I'm really excited to use this because it's not like super pink, it's kind of like a peachy pink. And I'm applying that with my Sigma F40 Large Angled Contour Brush. And now for a highlighter that I constantly am reaching for. I can't seem to stop using it. And that is the Benefit Cookie Highlight. Look at how pretty it is. Let me turn it. There we go. Look at how nice that is. I'm going to apply this on the high point of my cheek using my Sigma F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter Brush. And then I always go back in with my blush brush and just soften everything and kind of go over the highlight a little bit just to make sure that everything blends nicely into each other. I'm so excited to show you this lip product because I tried it about a week ago and was mind blown. So I cannot wait to show you guys this. So this is the Rimmel London Provoca 16 Hour Kiss Proof Lip Color in 430 Wish Upon a Berry. It is a two-step lip product. So first you have the lip color up here, which is step 1. Right there, such a pretty shade too. And then you have step 2, which is the Lock and Shine, which is kind of like a clear lip balm texture. So what we're going to do first is apply the lip color and then wait a few seconds for it to dry down. So after you apply it, you're going to let it dry down. It dries down so quick, so you're going to feel that it's really sticky. So you can tell when I do that my lips are tacky, but absolutely no color has come off. Now we're going to take the Lock and Shine, which is step 2. and applied this right over top. And you can see this is completely clean. And now you can see it's still clean. This is insane. I was so blown away by this, and it feels so nice. There's no more stickiness. It feels so hydrated. It's glossy, but it's not going to come off at all. There is absolutely no transfer whatsoever, and it stays on for the longest amount of time I've ever seen a lipstick stay on. Honestly, it's even difficult to take off, so you know that this is going to last through anything, and I mean anything that you can think of, it will last through. And that is it. This is the completed look of my sparkly Cranberry Smokey cat eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how the look turned out. These shadows are so pretty. I'm obsessed. And this lipstick, look at how incredible it looks. So shiny. It looks glossy and juicy, but it's not going to move anywhere. And when I wore this a week ago, when I tried it out for the first time, I wore it for about 12 hours straight, and it looked identical to this. It literally looked like I just applied it. All I did was just apply the Step 2 Lock and Shine over top my lips, maybe one more time throughout the day after I ate, just to kind of rehydrate my lips and add that shine back. But it didn't move anywhere. It looks amazing. And I'm so curious to try the other shades out. If you have tried out this new lip product by Rimmel, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts on it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That'll be right here, as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, my Paulina Elliott Favorites brush set, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!